Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 in BIOS for Windows 11. Firstly, you have to enter your BIOS mode, reboot your PC and press the delete or F2 keys, usually displayed during startup. Now you'll have to switch to advanced mode. Look for an option to switch from easy to advanced mode. This may involve pressing F2 again, or it depends on your PC or motherboard. Now, all we have to do is to enable TPM 2.0. Of course, after we begin, you'll make sure that you enable Secure Boot. For Intel, find PTT, Platform Trust Technology, or for AMD, look for FTPM, Firmware TPM. Enable the option and save changes, usually pressing on F10. Re-enter BIOS and locate Secure Boot in the Boot Options or Security menu to enable it. After these steps, exit BIOS and reboot your system. This setup is essential for Windows 11 installation. Well, that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.